Hello again and welcome back to my kitchen. My name's Carl from the Suffolk Latch Company, and today we're going to talk about our range of traditional hat and coat hooks. Essentially they're in two different materials, cast iron and hand forged, and in traditional sort of double hooks with a triple and our range of small robe hooks. Okay, to start with, we're going to talk about our hand forged range. There are three styles. We've got what we call our Gothic hook here. It's hand forged, it's been dressed around the outsides. It's got enough of an opening here to be used either as a curtain tie back or even as a curtain pole holder. Slightly smaller in diameter. With regards to the opening, we've got what we call our leaf hook here. Got a nice sort of hand forged finish here with a single screw. Obviously it will have a tendency of moving around from left to right, being a single hole. And then finally we've got our Fleur-De-Lis hook. Again, it's been sort of hand forged and dressed around the outsides. Again, a single hook, but a fairly wide opening here. Again, could be used for a curtain tie back or could be used for a pole hold up. Moving on, we now have our most popular range. These are traditional double hooks and a triple hook. Starting here with our we call our antique iron 4-hole, probably our most popular of all. Antique iron finish. It's cast, then tumbled, and then given us like a slight oil finish. Really great. The problem is, if you use them on the back of a door, you have got quite a protrusion there. So if you're up against a wall, perhaps you might consider using something like a robe hook. Going on down here, we have, again in solid cast iron, our acorn hook, 2-hole fixing. This one's different for the fact it's been given a black powder coat finish. And then we have exactly the same hook again, acorn. This is in a antique iron finish. Difference is this one is actually been lacquered, whereas the first one's actually been oiled. Coming down a little bit quirky here, we've got our GNER one. It's actually a 2-piece construction. You've got a single hole there which you fix to the wall first. This then locates with a small boss and then 2 more screws to hold it in place. This one here we call our school label hook. Again, it's got 4 fixings and we supply the traditional slotted screws, but in the back you'll see you've got a little a recess so you can drop a small card in there so you can put names or numbers or letters. Coming down now to our we call 1883 triple hook. Quite a narrow pattern there, and the advantage here, you actually have got 3 hooks, but obviously the consideration is it's quite a narrow item and 3 coats, so it'll become quite full. If you don't require something which is that deep, you can come over to our range of robe hooks. Now they consist of 2 distinct styles, doubles and singles. This is our antique iron double, nice and smooth, well finished, very simple, 2 screw holes there. Then we have a slightly heavier double hook, again with 2 screw holes, and then moving on down to our actual individual robe hooks. This one's actually quite sweet. It's been cast and then burnished on a buffing wheel and then given a lacquer finish. Quite sweet, quite stylish. And then coming down to the last 3, a slightly heavy cast iron single robe hook, ideal for kitchens or backs of doors. Exactly the same thing in an antique iron finish, a natural wrought finish. And right down towards the very end we've got a little tiny robe hook, which is quite slender in its profile, and 2 holes working side by side. As with all our products, we offer a 360-degree view on every item, plus we have a downloadable PDF to give you exact dimensions. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please give us a thumbs up, and even better, you could even follow us on our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, bye.